Why is it so difficult to lose weight? This is a hot question. There are many possible answers. Genetics, misinformation, a sedentary lifestyle, etc. But perhaps the main reason why it's so hard to lose weight is that people aren't careful enough about the foods they put in their mouth. Today, let's look at the 15 foods to never eat if you want to lose weight. Number 1. Salad toppings. Salad toppings like bacon bits, croutons, dairy cheese, and sauces are high in fat and heavily processed. Adding these to salad will turn a healthy food into a fatty junk food. Number 2. Microwave popcorn. Who does not like to bury their hands in a bag of popcorn? Just know that the chemical used to coat microwave popcorn bags is classified as a likely carcinogen, a substance that may increase the risk of cancer. Also, do remember, popcorn doesn't have much nutrition in it. Number 3. Granola bars. Just 1 cup of some granola brands has over 4 times the number of calories as 4 cups of oatmeal. They are also loaded with sugar. Minimally processed granola oats could contain a good dose of fiber and iron and are probably okay to eat on occasion. Number 4. Protein bars. Protein bars are another food that sounds healthy in name only. They are often heavily processed, loaded with fat, and doused with refined sugar. They are definitely not likely to aid in your desire to lose weight. Number 5. Pasta. Yes, we all know it's delicious, but consuming it as a part of a diet regime is not wise, since it's heavily processed and is loaded with carbohydrates and refined flour. If you can't give up on pasta, probably opt for a whole grain pasta instead. Number 6. Instant oatmeal. Boxed oatmeal is usually garbage. It is high in sugar and additives. It is same as instant noodles. Real oats are rich in fiber, iron, and protein. Always opt for the real oats than the packed instant ones. Number 7. Low-calorie drinks. One of the biggest lie of the food industry, low calorie. Do not fall for that. First, check the low calorie claim. Then take a look at the sugar count. Most low calorie drinks offer little to nothing in the way of nutrition. Do yourself a favor and just drink some water. Number 8. Fruit juice. Unless the fruit juice is freshly squeezed from an actual fruit, it's probably garbage. Fruit juice tends to be made from concentrate and is packed with sugar to give it a sweet taste. It's probably wise to avoid them. Number 9. Corn chips or veggie chips. Just because something has the word veggie in front doesn't mean that it's healthy. The same goes for any product that has the word fruit. Rule of thumb, always check the label. These could be loaded with artificial flavors and worse, MSG. Number 10. Frozen meals. While convenient, most frozen meals are trash. Most taste horrible, loaded with sodium, preservatives, fat, and calories. Make yourself a healthy sandwich instead. Number 11. Cold cereal. Who doesn't love cereal? There is a reason that your kids dig out the stuff first thing in the morning. It has nothing to do with health. Outside of whole oats and fortified brands, most cereal is laden with sugar and sodium. Number 12. Low sugar, low fat snacks. Low fat snacks are not healthy as you think. If a snack claims to be low sugar, it may be okay. But low fat is not zero fat. Always make sure to double check the label to see the fat content. Number 13. Fruit cocktail. Unless you're slicing and dicing up your own fruit cocktail, consider refraining from it. Canned fruit cocktail is soaked in corn syrup, which is the worst type of sugar on the market. Number 14. Whole wheat breads. While most whole grain breads are quite healthy, The fact that a bread is whole wheat isn't saying much nutrition-wise. In fact, the whole wheat bread has the same calorie or probably more than the white bread. Since they are loaded with carbohydrates, it's wise to reduce the quantity of bread you consume. Number 15. Sports drink. Sports drinks are designed for a particular type of person, an athlete. Sports drinks are a legitimate product that does help replenish electrolytes. However, here's the problem. Most people aren't athletics or physically active. For such people, drinking them every day could make them fatter because this would be just another sugary drink. The best way to lose weight is by increasing physical activity and following a clean diet plan. Anything that are made in a factory aren't good for the body. I'd rather eat more of the foods God has naturally provided for us. Follow us. There are always more to learn. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button.